So getting my makeup done on Steph's packed lunch, and I'm chatting to Patrick, makeup artist, fabulous, and he says to me that his mum Lorraine cooks her salmon in the dishwasher. I said, you can't do that. And it turns out it's a bit of a thing. There's salmon in a bag, that's going to put that there.
Okay. Oh, sorry, it's really messy. Okay. Oh, is that cooked? It's not cooked.
So this is a bit under. I reckon if we put it in again at 65 degrees, that would be perfect. Oh. No, that hasn't worked. That has not worked. This is my third attempt at this dishwasher salmon. I want this to be a whole dish. Dried, uncooked noodles. A makeshift vacuum sealer. That's pretty vacuum sealed, right? So we've put this on 65-degree wash. I'll see you in an hour. Because if this works, you can put this in. You can put this in the dishwasher, go about your day, come back and be like, dinner's done. Amazing. Oh my goodness, it works like a treat. Let's get a close up.
Flakes away. Flakes away. Look at that. Perfect. They're not too mushy. They're cooked. They're soft. They're succulent.
Amazing. Amazing.